Hello, you're welcome. Today I would like to show you this shawl. You can also use as a scarf also. I used two different size of needle. One is 3 or 3.5. The second one was 7.5. And I used the 1x1 rib stitch. We began from here, from the bottom, with 3 stitches, and then we are adding stitches in each side every row. It's 1.18 centimeters wide and 90 high. You can use both sides. This has different texture and this side has a different. We can use both sides. I haven't made fringe. You can, if you like, you can add at the corners or these two sides. Let's make it. For this shawl, I'll use angora gold simile. It's 100 grams with 500 meters. I choose the colorful one. If you like, you can make it one color or also with different colors. It has wool, acrylic, and this sim. And the difference is that we will use two different sizes of needles. The big one is 7 millimeters and the small one 3.5, 350. First we will make three loops. Two, the first one, the second one, and the third one. We will make increases every row except this one. We will purl the first one always, and we'll knit the second, and we'll purl the third one. Always the first one purl. I'll purl the first one, knit from inside, from here, and we have increased. Now purl, then we'll bring it back the yarn and knit from inside. The yarn will come front and purl. Now we have 5 loops. Purl the first one. We are not leaving this. Go back yarn and knit from inside, not from here, from inside. Purl, knit from inside, purl, knit, and purl for increase the same loop. Purl, go back the yarn, knit the same loop. Purl, knit from the inside, purl, knit, purl, knit, and purl the same. Purl the first, then change the side of the yarn and knit from inside. Our texture is only from this purl and knit. It's very simple, and I think you will enjoy with doing this. We are at the last. We are making our increase. This is our back side, and this is our front side. We'll continue doing this and increases in each side every row. It's very easy and it's very fluffy. Keep going with this way until we finished our yarn, and then if we need more, we'll add the second skein. I have almost finished my shawl. Here is the one side. If you like, you can use from this side or the other side, which I prefer and I like it more. And because of the increases, I have a lot of loops, so I changed my needles and I used circular ones here, and I put a stop here for not losing. And now we will finish our work. We will knit two together. we'll take this one back, 2 together, back, 2 together,